Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Gumroad account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gumroad.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your account settings and information. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences and configurations. Once you're in the settings area, look at the top menu bar. You'll notice several tabs available. Click on the one labeled Advanced. This section contains more technical settings and account management options, including the ability to permanently remove your account from Gumroad's system. Next, you'll need to scroll down through the Advanced Settings page. As you scroll, you'll eventually come across an option that says Delete your Gumroad account. This is the feature you're looking for, and it allows you to permanently remove all your data and presence from the platform. Click on this option to proceed with the deletion process. After clicking that option, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This is Gumroad's way of making sure you really want to go through with this action, since deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. You'll see a button that says, "Yes, delete my account." Click this button to confirm your decision and finalize the deletion. And that's it, your Gumroad account is now permanently deleted, along with all associated data and content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.